So we have dealt with the chapter matrices. We will see what all were there in that chapter. What was a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions in rows and columns. If I am taking a matrix 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, this is an arrangement of 6 elements. It has an order. How we will say the order? The order we will say as number of rows into number of columns, and we will read as number of rows by number of columns. How many rows are there in this matrix? 2. By what about the number of columns? 1, 2, 3. So this was the order of the matrix. In general, we will represent a matrix as A, I, J. I stands for the number of row and J stands for number of column. And if order of the matrix in general, we will represent as M by N. Okay, so M can be any number, N can be any number. So order of the matrix is M by N. Again, we dealt with the types of matrices. Which all were the types? Column matrix. Column matrix means there will be only one column and any number of rows. Row matrix was there. In specialty of the row matrices, there will be only one row and many columns. For the column matrix, the order will be M by 1. M by 1 means there can be any number of rows, but there is only one column. Again, for the row matrix, the order is 1 by N. 1 by N means there is only one row, but there can be any number of columns. The next type of matrix we dealt was square matrix. What was a square matrix? If the number of rows and number of columns remains the same, then it is said to be a square matrix. And the least square matrix which we dealt was 2 by 2. One is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's of order 2 by 2. This matrix, if I am taking the matrix, it's of order 1 by 1. This is also a square matrix, but usually we used to take this matrix, the least format as 2 by 2 matrix. 3 by 3 can be the order of a square matrix. 4 by 4 can be the order of a square matrix.